enlightened because I suddenly understood one part of some physics concept. Yeah, so the lesson made a good impression on me. Mr. Lai frequently went through the revised concepts from the previous lesson, and he also teaches in a very systematic and organized way. So every time we do questions on our own without his guidance, we can review his steps that he taught us and then apply those steps and figure out how to solve the questions ourselves.
You first give an idea about what the chapter is. You also give diagrams when necessary for kinematics and other chapters of physics. So when you draw those diagrams, right, help me to visualize the concepts better. Because some concepts, especially waves, where the particles are moving, we don't really understand, but when you draw out, it's a lot more clearer. Also, he explains the concepts very clearly, so you don't have to struggle.
I use the digital lessons a lot, especially when I am doing work examples here at tuition, and I find that I don't really understand some of the concepts. So I will review the lessons online and make sure that I manage to get a clear understanding before I try the questions again at home.
Inside the Physics Bible is very concise, like it just targets the keywords that's required, so you don't need to memorize as much. And then like it gives you all the definition of everything and some popular questions. So by reading this Bible, we already know what to target and what to answer easily with the most commonly asked questions of each topics.
You can always join the June Crash course, which is just a summary of like the entire year, and you can see like how Mr. Lai teaches you and all the resources that he gives to you.
Also, right, like this tuition center has like practical sessions which most tuition centers outside don't have, so it can like give you a chance to hone your practical skills and make you more ready for the exam.
Join us now and embark on the journey of physics mastery together. Students will boost their confidence and achieve their academic goals, while parents can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a strong foundation in physics.